We are Aga Farm Heritage Meats from Caerphilly. We produce rare breed Gloucester Old Spot pork and Welsh Black and belted Galloway beef. Diane has helped us actually be here today. He's given us loads of help with marketing and various other things. Without his help we wouldn't be at the show at all.
So for the winter fair we've been helping producers in a range of ways really. We've held a couple of workshops getting them ready to sell because we've got a few producers here that this is their actual first farmers market.
We'd like to grow our rare breed herd, which then we could go into maybe other markets. Today has been amazing, absolutely amazing. We were so nervous about coming here because this is the biggest event that we've ever done, but it's been absolutely amazing. Really enjoyed it. So looking forward to tomorrow, see what tomorrow brings.